Hello, in this clip I'm going to show you how to run several instances of a server on one machine. To do this we'll be using the start.xml file. This file is very versatile and you will use it a lot when you work with jigger spaces. On your screen you can see a very simple project. I've already run the project's build process, which has created the start.xml file automatically. In the start.xml file we can define things like the project servers and the number of projects on that server. To run several instances of a server on one machine, we open the start.xml file. The start.xml file is found under the project's default directory, as you can see here. To work with the start.xml file, open it with a text editor. And here you can see a single server instance. To create another instance, what I'm going to do is copy all this information and then I'm going to paste it in here like this. Now I'm just going to line all this up for consistency and to make it clearer. Now we can see we've got two instances on the same host pointing to the same server. In the first instance we have 10 workers and one instance, and the triggers, scheduler and auto start are all set to true. This means that they'll be active when the project starts. In the second instance, we'll change number of workers to 5, number of instances will be at 1, and the triggers, scheduler and auto start will be changed to false, which means they won't be activated. So there we have it, another server instance added under the same project. So now we're going to save the start.xml file. To start the project, firstly we're going to have a look at the project start link. You can find that in exactly the same place as we found the start.xml file. Just out of interest, let's check the link's properties. Here you can see that the start.xml file is referencing our project, demo1. So now let's click the start link and see what happens. Here we see this black screen open, which is actually creating objects in the space. This doesn't start the process itself directly. The jigger spaces agent runs the processes automatically for us. Now, when we open the monitor, see that our project, demo1, is up and running. With our two servers and the correct number of workers that we defined. The second way to start the project is through the monitor. When we use the monitor, this also references the same start.xml file that we modified and saved earlier. When we open the monitor, we see our project listed here. So let's click the Start button now. As you can see, the project is now running, so let's open the Advanced Monitoring console to see some more detail. And here we see that we have server 1 with its 10 workers, and here we have the server that we added, server 2, with its 5 workers. Today we've seen how to run several instances of a server on one machine. Join us again soon for some more magic.